What's up, everybody? Oh my god. What's up, everybody? This is Ruby, back from Ruby's Corner, and today I'm going to be reviewing Adidas Nite Jogger. So when I first saw the shoe, I wasn't too hyped up about it because I didn't realize a lot of little details about it. Then I started reading up on it, watching some reviews on it, and I knew I had to get it. So I actually had a bid sitting on StockX for about a week. Just kind of waiting. I wasn't too worried if I hit or not, but as luck turns out, somebody caved in and sold it on the low. So up here on the top, we're gonna start with the suede all the way around the toe. Goes from this side right here all the way around, and that's just for extra support in the toe area. And then we're gonna see a little bit more suede up here, going up to the laces. That's some more stability for the laces. And then this mesh right here is actually really breathable. And the top would not be complete without this little hit of 3M. And then the laces are 3M as well. So there's a lot of 3M on the shoe, including these 3 stripes right here, these 3 stripes right here, this silver back here, the orange, all of that is 3M on the upper. You wanna come up here? Wanna say hi? There we go. Okay. So continuing on with the shoe, obviously it's called a Nite Jogger, which it would explain all the 3M, because if you're running at night, you don't want to be hit by anything, so you want to be seen. So as soon as the headlights hit this, all the orange on the upper, all the silver on the upper, the shoelaces, and the 3 stripes on both sides will glow, which I think is a pretty cool design. Now let's go to the bottom. It's Adidas Signature Boost. That's going to provide the comfort to have some added stability for the heel right here. And that goes from basically where the suede for the toe ends all the way around to the heel on this side. And then on the bottom, you see the sole, which is glow in the dark. Basically anything that is green is glow in the dark. Let's jump on the inside. So there's more suede right there, right on the tongue. On the inside, it's like a navy blue. And there's some padding right there on the heel, no padding on the sides. Hey guys, so thanks for tuning in for another video from Ruby's Corner. As usual, if you enjoyed the video, please like the video, subscribe to the channel. It really helps out a lot. You guys have a good one. And for today's video, I actually used a brand new mic, so let me know how the volume is. I used the Wireless Go from Rode.